Welcome. Today we're exploring the latest way to send a message to a chat on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. If you want to connect privately with someone or keep the conversation going with your friends, this quick guide will walk you through the new update step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on your X homepage, look at the left side of your screen for the Messages icon. It looks like a small envelope. Click on this icon to enter the Messages section, where all your private conversations are stored. Now, you'll see a list of your existing chats. Scroll through and find the chat you want to send a message to. If you haven't messaged this person before, you can start a new chat by clicking the New Message button, usually marked with a plus sign or a speech bubble. But if you already have a conversation going, just click on their name to open the chat window. At the bottom of the chat window, you'll see a text box. This is where you write your message. Take a moment to type out what you want to say. You can also add photos, GIFs, or emojis if you want to make your message more fun or expressive. Once your message is ready, look for the Send button, usually shaped like a paper airplane or simply labeled Send. Click it, and your message will be delivered instantly to the chat. And that's it. You've just sent a message on X using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're reaching out to a friend, a colleague, or starting a new conversation, these steps make it easy to stay connected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for using X. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.